Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the coin cell battery, loosen the screw and unlatch the side cover. Slide the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the coin cell battery and unlatch it from the system. Lift the battery out of the system. To reinstall the coin cell battery, relatch it back to the system. Place the side cover back on the system and relatch it. Tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.